The art of balance, understanding homeostatic mechanisms and body cavities. Introduction. Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about a fascinating topic that affects every single one of us, homeostasis. You may have heard this term before, but it's a crucial concept of understanding how our body works to maintain a stable internal environment. Think of it think of it like this. Just as your house has a thermostat that keeps your body temperature at comfortable level, your body has mechanisms that keep everything in balance. From regulating your heartbeat to controlling your blood sugar levels, homeostasis is what keeps you healthy and functioning properly. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis refers to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite changes in external environment. It is essential for human survival because our bodies are constantly exposed to various stressors such as temperature changes, infections, and injuries. Without homeostasis, our body systems would not be able to function properly, leading to illness or even death. For example, when we get too hot, our body sweats to cool down and maintain a stable body temperature. Similarly, when we eat too much food, our body resists insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. These are just few examples of how homeostasis helps keep our body functioning optimally. Components of homeostatic mechanism. Homeostasis is the process by which body maintains a stable internal environment despite changes in external environment. It is essential for human survival because it allows bodies to function properly and adapt to changing conditions. The three essential components of the homeostatic mechanisms are receptors, control center, and effectors. The receptor detects changes in the internal or external environment and sends signals to the control center. The, con the control center receives the signals and sends commands to the effectors to restore balance in the body. The effector responds to these commands by producing an effect that helps maintain homeostasis. These three components work together in feedback loop to ensure that the body maintains in a stable state of equilibrium. Receptor. The receptor is a crucial component of the homeostatic mechanism, responsible for detecting changes in the internal and external environment of the body. For example, when the body temperature rises, receptor in the skin detects the change and sends signals to control center to initiate sweat to cool body down. Receptors can be found throughout this body, from the skin to organs, and are specialized to detect specific changes in the environment. They can detect changes in temperature, pH levels, oxygen levels, and more. Once the receptor detects a change and sends signals to the control center, which is then indicates the appropriate response to restore balance in the body. Control center. The control center is a crucial component of homeostatic mechanism, responsible for receiving signals from the receptor and sending commands to the effectors. It acts as a decision-maker center, determining the appropriate response to maintain balance in the body. For example, when body temperature rises above normal, receptor in the skin detects the change and sends signal to the hypothalamus, the control center of the temperature regulation. The hypothalamus then sends signals to the sweat glands, the effector, to produce sweat and cool down the body. Effectors. Effector is a vital component of the homeostatic mechanism responsible for restoring balance in the body. Once the control center sends a command in, the effector carries out the necessary actions to counteract any changes that have occurred in internal or external environment. For example, if your body temperature rises above normal, the effectors in class will produce sweat to cool down body temperature, bring your temperature back to optimal level. Similarly, if your blood sugar level drops too low, the effector in case the liver will release glucose in your bloodstream to raise your blood sugar level back to the normal. Location of major body cavities. The human body is made of several cavities, each of with own unique functions. The four major body cavities are cranial, thoracic, abdominal, and pelvic cavities. These cavities protect vital organs, help maintain homeostasis in the body. The cranial cavity is located in the skull and protects brain and spinal cord. It is lined with protective membranes called meninges, which cushions the brain and spinal cord from injury. The thoracic cavity is located in the chest and contains the heart and the lungs. The rib cage, the diaphragm, helps protect these organs from injury. The abdominal and pelvic cavities are located in the lower part of the torso and contain the digestive, urinary, and reproductive organs. These cavities are protected by muscles, bones in the pelvic and abdominal wall. And these are my sources. Thank you.